Alright, we got everything here we need to finish our head. We got our dog head here. We got the mouth that fits okay. So, but what we have to do is take some of this off in the back. A little bit off back here so it doesn't go too far back in. We have the back of the head with this carved out. We're going to be using a couple pieces of this small dowel and a couple pieces of this size dowel here. And some of this here. This is going to be for our lever for our ears, so we can make our ears be able to move up and down. We have this a 3/4 inch block which will go back in here. And that's going to get attached to the mouth here, and we're going to use a 1-inch hinge which will go back here. This is so the mouth will open and close properly for us. We have a 1/2 inch dowel we're going to use. That's going to go back in here. That's for our string to go up and over. These are going to be our ears. The wire for our ears, which will get attached here, and they'll be able to move up and down. We have a couple pieces of tin which we will attach this with. We have our eyes, which are about 1 inch, and they're acrylic. That's what we're going to use for our eyes. We have this hook here which would go into the bottom of the stick, and we'll put a rubber band on that, and we have one up here in the top of our head here. That's for our 3-inch spring to attach to for our mouth. We got a 24-inch piece of nylon string we're going to use. We have a 1-inch ring. That's for our string. We have 2 of these little eye hooks. One's going to go up here for our spring to attach to the top of the head. That'll pull it closed, open and closed. And we'll put one back here for our string, which will get tied onto this and go down through the neck. Now we're going to use this elastic cord. That'll go on here so when we open up our use our ears, that will help them to go up and down. So we've got everything we need to finish this head. We want to drill a hole. We're going to drill a hole in here for our string to come out, and then one here and one here on each side, and that's going to be for this lever that's going to go up inside. So we're going to work on getting this drilled out now and getting our mouth attached. Once we get that, then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.